Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the details of two popular portable washing machines, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. We'll analyze their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one is the better choice for your laundry needs. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine offers a total washing capacity of 17.6 pounds, which includes 11 pounds for washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger loads compared to the portable washing machine, which has a capacity of 15 liters. If you often wash larger items or multiple clothes at once, the BANGSON model may be the better option for you. In terms of design, the BANGSON washing machine is larger and heavier, weighing 28 pounds, making it less portable compared to the portable washing machine, which is only 4.5 pounds and features a foldable design. This makes the portable washing machine an ideal choice for those with limited space or who need to transport their washer frequently. When it comes to functionality, the BANGSON model offers adjustable wash modes, allowing you to customize your washing experience. In contrast, the portable washing machine provides shorter wash cycles of 3, 5, or 10 minutes, which may be convenient for quick washes, but limits flexibility for larger loads. Depending on your washing habits, this could be a significant factor in your decision. In conclusion, both the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine have their unique strengths. The BANGSON offers higher capacity and more powerful cleaning, while the portable washing machine excels in portability and ease of storage. Consider your specific needs and preferences before making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.